Hey guys, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Today we are talking about something that costs people thousands of rupees every single year, and most people don't even realize it. Delaying AC repair. Guys, when your AC starts showing a small problem, most people think, it's still working fine, I'll fix it later. But that small delay can end up costing you far more than you think. Today I will explain exactly why, with real, correct facts. Let's go. A small problem today becomes a big problem tomorrow. Guys, think of a C repair like dental care. The longer you wait, the worse and more expensive it gets. A small refrigerant leak today can turn into a burned out compressor tomorrow. What could have been a quick and inexpensive repair ends up costing you hundreds, sometimes thousands more. Your AC might just make a strange sound, or take a little longer to cool the room. It seems harmless at first, people ignore it. But that small noise could actually be a sign of a loose part or a worn out component. If left unchecked, it leads to major breakdowns. What could have been a minor fix turns into a major replacement. Quick action always saves money, guys. Your electricity bill goes up immediately. Here is something most people don't realize, guys. If your AC isn't running properly, you will see it directly on your electricity bill. When something is off, like a dirty coil or a small refrigerant leak, the system has to work much harder to cool your home. That means it is using more electricity for the exact same cooling result. You might notice uneven cooling, so you keep adjusting the thermostat lower and lower. That constant strain just pushes the system even harder, and your bill keeps climbing every single month you delay the repair. The repair cost. Progression. How small problems multiply. Guys, this is the most important part of today's video. There is a clear repair cost progression in every AC. A simple capacitor replacement during routine service costs far less than waiting until that capacitor completely fails. Why? Because a failed capacitor often damages the compressor motor next, and compressor damage costs far more than the original capacitor ever would have. Each time you delay, the expense multiplies significantly. A weak capacitor might last for weeks in mild weather, but during extreme summer heat, it can fail within just a few days, leaving you without any cooling exactly when you need it most. Emergency repairs cost more than planned repairs. Guys, here is a fact that surprises a lot of people. Repairs can cost double or even triple when you wait for a complete breakdown instead of fixing the issue early. Why does this happen? When your AC completely fails during peak summer heat, technicians are extremely busy everywhere. You may have to wait longer for service. Parts may not be available immediately, causing further delays. And because you're desperate for cooling, you often end up paying premium emergency prices instead of a normal scheduled repair rate. A routine repair during planned maintenance always costs substantially less than the exact same repair done as an emergency call. Your AC's lifespan gets shorter. Guys, every air conditioning system has a limited lifespan, but neglecting small repairs accelerates wear and reduces that lifespan significantly. When components are forced to keep operating under stress, they degrade much faster than they should. Motors overheat, belts wear out faster, and electrical components weaken more quickly than normal. This doesn't just mean more repairs, guys. It means your entire AC unit will need replacement years earlier than it should have. That is a massive hidden cost that most people never even calculate. Your air quality and health suffer too. Guys, this part is often forgotten completely. A struggling AC doesn't just cool less, it also cleans the air less effectively. When filters get clogged or internal parts wear down, your system stops properly catching dust, mold spores, and other particles. You might start noticing stuffier air, more sneezing, or a musty smell that never quite goes away. Humidity also climbs when your AC can't properly remove moisture from the room air. That sticky, uncomfortable feeling indoors isn't just unpleasant, guys. It also encourages mold growth, which can affect your family's health over time. Guys, let me quickly summarize why delaying AC repair always costs you more. Small problems multiply into expensive ones. Your electricity bill rises immediately. Repair costs increase the longer you wait. Emergency repairs cost double or triple the normal rate. Your AC's total lifespan gets shorter, and your family's air quality and health can suffer too. The simple lesson, guys, when you notice any small AC problem, strange noise, weak airflow, or higher bills, get it checked immediately. Don't wait for a complete breakdown. A small timely repairs today always saves you much bigger expenses later. If this video helped you, please like and share it. Share it with everyone who keeps delaying their AC repair. Subscribe to HVAC official channel.